Certainly. Here's a 5-minute story about Al-Kharazmiy, the great mathematician and scholar. The story of Al-Kharazmiy, father of algebra. Over 1,000 years ago, in the golden age of the Islamic world, a brilliant mind named Muhammad ibn Musa al-Kharazmi emerged in the city of Baghdad. Born around 780 CE in Khwarazm, Al-Kharazmi grew up fascinated by the world of numbers, shapes, and the mysteries of the universe. Little did he know, his work would change the course of history forever. Baghdad at that time was a hub of knowledge, home to the famous House of Wisdom, a grand library and research center where scholars from across the world gathered to translate, study, and expand on the works of the ancient Greeks, Indians, and Persians. Al-Kharazmi became one of its most prominent scholars, excelling in mathematics, astronomy, and geography. Al-Kharazmi's most groundbreaking contribution was his book Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hizb al-Jabr wal-Muqabala, which translates to the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing. This book laid the foundation for a new branch of mathematics, algebra.
In fact, the very word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr, used in his book to describe the process of solving equations. Unlike earlier mathematicians, who relied heavily on geometric methods, Al-Kharazmi introduced systematic and abstract approaches to solving linear and quadratic equations. He explained how to simplify, rearrange, and balance equations step by step, a revolutionary concept at the time. His methods were so influential that they became the standard for mathematical study in Europe centuries later. But Al-Kharazmi's genius wasn't limited to algebra. He also played a pivotal role in developing the decimal positional number system. Inspired by Indian mathematics, he introduced the concept of using zero as a placeholder, making calculations far more efficient. His work on numbers laid the groundwork for modern arithmetic, and today, the term algorithm is derived from the Latinized version of his name, Al-Kharazmiy. Beyond mathematics, Al-Kharazmi made significant contributions to astronomy and geography. He refined the Greek maps of the known world, incorporating knowledge from Arab and Indian sources. His geographical treatises provided more accurate measurements of the Earth's circumference, paving the way for future explorers. Though Al-Kharazmi passed away around 850 CE, his legacy lives on. His ideas not only advanced the Islamic world, but also served as a bridge between ancient and modern science. When his works were translated into Latin in the 12th century, they sparked a renaissance in European mathematics, cementing his title as the father of algebra. As we use algorithms in computers, solve equations in school, or marvel at the vastness of our mapped world, we are, in a way, walking in the footsteps of Al-Kharazmi, a man whose curiosity and intellect transcended time and space, leaving an indelible mark on humanity. This condensed story highlights his contributions and influence within a 5-minute narrative.